1, 2, 3. Voila! Hello everyone! Welcome again to my channel, Janine Middle Christie Nida, or my name is Middle Christie, and this time I will teach you to make luminous plantable paper to save our Mother Earth or help our nature by recycling materials. To make it possible, we need tools and materials. So the first tool or material that we need is mung bean. Then, poster color. Luminous powder. I bought this luminous powder from Shopee for only 50 pesos each. I bought 2, so it's 100 pesos. Then we need this blender. Because I don't have screen, I will use tray. Then container. Then we need hot water. Yes, hot water. And the most important material, old paper such as newspaper and research paper, old research paper. Like this. Cut the paper into small pieces. Pour hot water in the bowl. Also put the poster color. After mixing, put it in the blender. Then blend it. After making paper pulp, put it in the container. Mold it in tray, plastic, or screen. Also use sponge, it will absorb the water. Make it flat and put it in the rug. Swish the luminous powder. Put the mung bean. Let it dry.
Hours later.
So, after 12 hours of waiting, the luminous plantable paper already dry. So to make it luminous or to make it glow in the dark, you need to put it in front of the light. So, I will put it in front of the light. And I will turn up to the ring light. 1, 2, 3. Voila! This paper or plantable paper is glow in the dark. It's luminous, so in case of emergency, you can use it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. For more educational videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and like this video. And comment down below your video suggestion. Bye-bye!